If you've been looking at the TCL TP200K, you're probably asking one simple question. Is it actually worth buying? Or is it just another product with big promises? After looking into its features, here's what I think. The TCL TP200K is built as a budget-friendly option. It doesn't try to compete with premium models. Instead, it focuses on giving you the basics without costing too much. That's actually one of its biggest strengths. The design is simple and clean, nothing flashy, but it looks modern enough to fit into most homes. The build quality also feels decent for the price. It doesn't feel cheap, even though it's aimed at budget buyers. Performance is where expectations matter. If you're expecting high-end performance, you'll probably be disappointed. But if you understand what this product is designed for, it does a respectable job. It handles everyday use without major issues. That's really what most people are looking for. Another thing I like is how easy it is to set up. You don't need to spend hours reading the manual. Most users should have it running in just a few minutes. Now let's talk about the downsides. The TP200K isn't packed with premium features. Some competitors offer more advanced options if you're willing to spend extra. Depending on your needs, that could make a difference. Long-term durability is another area to consider. While early impressions are generally positive, there's simply not enough evidence to say how well it will hold up after several years of heavy use. So, is the TCL TP200K a scam? No, I don't think so. There's nothing that suggests it's trying to mislead buyers. It delivers what you'd expect for its price range. The key is having realistic expectations. If you buy it expecting flagship performance, you'll probably be unhappy. If you buy it as a budget-friendly solution, it makes a lot more sense. My final verdict? The TCL TP200K is a legitimate product. It's best suited for people who want good value without spending a fortune. It has a few compromises, but that's normal at this price point.